pre. I ain't gonna lie, this shit, it works. But it don't taste the best. It does not taste the best at all. Oh. Oh. Hey, fuck with it, oil change. My face feels like it's about to just itch the fuck off. My eyes are all fucked up. Yeah, so we're gonna hit the fucking gym. As you said, I done took my pre-workout. Like about 20 minutes, 20-30 minutes till that shit starts to fucking kick in. So, what we got on the agenda today? Gym. Should have been there by now, but it is what it is. I ain't go to bed till like 12:31. So we got the gym. We're gonna do it, hit the fucking cardio hard, and then we're gonna hit the car wash hard because the truck needs it. I got a pre-workout cup in the back. And after that, we gotta go to Walmart. I need to get some charcoal because I'm gonna try and grill a steak before work if I got the time. And I need a food scale because I just been guessing pretty much, just trying to do math in my head on calculating the ounces and shit up based off of what it says on the package and how much of the package of meat I eat. So fuck allergies, bro. God. Take me back to yesterday. This song has been on my fucking, it's been on repeat here lately. That shit fire. You guys don't make no sense, no. For a minute, no. I drop on my bed, no. And just and fall back so close. You don't even know me. Trust. Oh my God. That was a good gym day. My shirt is soaked, so according to my Apple Watch, I burnt like 800 calories, supposedly. It'd be cool if it did. I got a Gatorade, I need to log it into my macros. It's only 140 calories, I think. Yeah. 36 carbs, holy hell. That's gonna be on my freaking carbs for the day. Turn the heat off. Look at the police just posted up. They just waiting. Oh, he don't give a fuck, he's on his phone. So now we gotta go to car wash, and it's right across the street. Yeet.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
We'll give it a little rev, not nothing crazy. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, this motherfucker. Ooh. Hold on. Hold on. Oh my God. Oh, you gotta love it. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. That lady's staring at me like a motherfucker. Damn, lady. But I did what I always do when I go to Walmart. Buy shit I don't necessarily need, but it's something I want. I bought an ottoman, cause why not? And I bought like a little collapsible like dinner table type ordeal thing, but that's mainly because I'm about to go to Indiana for a few weeks for work, and I'm not gonna have a desk. At least I don't think I will. So I'm gonna need somewhere to edit my videos at. And I got, that way I can eat my dinner at the couch, on the couch. Oh, we gonna catch it? Oh, we caught it. Oh, shit. Kiss it twice for a red one. Shit is just slinging around in the back. Oh, my stomach is... I drank too much tequila last night. Put my seatbelt on because I know that shit's annoying. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm hungry. I ain't had nothing to eat yet today. I had that, this is the only bit of energy that I have consumed. I'm hungry though. I got a fat ass, oh, I got a fat juicy T-bone steak waiting to be grilled. Oh my God. And I got some chicken wings that I baked the other day. I might throw them on the grill. Oh shit. That's the thing though, I'm trying to, I know that if, like right now I'm not, like my stomach isn't hurting, but I could definitely eat. Oh, they don't give a fuck, they just talking. But like, I know that if I break the seal and eat, then I'm gonna be hungry. Then I'm not gonna be able to, it's like with vaping or smoking. I can hold off until I take that first puff, and then it's game over. Ain't no holding back that shit. I got like 1,700 more calories to go through the day, and it's 9 in the morning. If I could, I might grill a steak and then take it with me and just eat it later. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to eat it on my first break, which is at 2. So if I can eat my steak at 2, I gotta do the macros on it when I get to the house. I don't know how big of a steak it is, but hopefully if I can stay under 800 calories till 2, or like after the steak, be around like 800-900 calories, then I can hold off and wait till I'm just absolutely hungry, and then I can eat again at you know, I'll go get some more Mexican food. Oh, I love cheese dip. Cheese, I swear, bruh, I can eat like some good queso, not some bullshit you buy from Walmart or something. It's gotta be from a restaurant. But that cheese dip, bruh, like if I were to be on my 600-pound life one day, it would be because of cheese dip, like 100%. I could eat it every day. Fuck being constipated. I've ate enough Taco Bell to just don't nothing affect me now. Like I used to eat Taco Bell more days a week than not. Sometimes I'd eat it for lunch and dinner 2-3 days in a row. I love Taco Bell. It's so hard to get away from. But I think that's gonna do it for the video. Did a lot of freaking talking. Let me know if this is the type of content that y'all like to see. I really don't give a damn. I mean, I do, but I'm gonna keep on pushing it out because somebody's gonna enjoy it. But y'all already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell. I don't know how to hit the notification bell, but maybe y'all do. If you made it this far, I don't give a damn what your family says about you. You all right. You all right. Give me a fist bump. Ha. All right, then. Catch y'all in the next one.